Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's LIANA here. It's been a while since I posted a video. Today I want to show you how I transformed this plastic crate into a storage ottoman. Keep it here and I hope you'll enjoy. First, we'll need some fabric to cover the ottoman. Then we'll need some cardboard and some pieces of foam. I'd already cut mine into pieces. We'll also need this MDF board to cover our crate. We'll also need a staple gun, a glue gun, and a pair of scissors. Keep it here and see how it's easy to transform this plastic crate into this lovely ottoman. For my repeat viewers, I'm so glad you are here, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing and let's build this family. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy and hope you'll try at the end of the video. Ottoman lid using the MDF board. Continue watching, and if you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you. Our storage ottoman is now ready. See how beautiful it is and so simple to make. You can also try this. Thank you for watching this video.